We are following developing news on the coronavirus outbreak. For the first time ever, an increase in new cases were reported outside of mainland China rather than just inside the country.
A sudden spike of cases in Italy, Iran, and South Korea is alarming global health officials. More than 82,000 people are now infected and more than 2,800 people have died from the virus around the world.
Which leads us to our big story this morning. Leaders here in the U.S. and Connecticut have a new warning on the growing threat, and a new case of coronavirus may be the first in the U.S. that is not linked to foreign travel.
Health experts say the virus will likely spread to our state, too. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Caitlin Francis is in the newsroom this morning. And Caitlin, why is this new U.S. case such a big deal?
The newest U.S. case is not linked to foreign travel, as Nicole just mentioned, which means the person has no recent or relevant travel history or exposure to another patient. That's why this is such an important detail. The CDC is now considering expanding health screenings at airports to help prevent the spread of coronavirus. JetBlue also announced it would be suspending any change or cancellation fees for all new flight bookings made starting today through March 11th for travel through June 1st. Now, state and U.S. officials are holding daily meetings to prepare for when the virus spreads here. It's not an if anymore, it's a when. Connecticut's top epidemiologist Matthew Carter says the state response is part of a nationwide reaction, and President Donald Trump says so far the U.S. has done a good job of mitigating the virus.
We're ready to adapt, and we're ready to do whatever we have to as the disease spreads, if it spreads.
This isn't a sprint. This is a marathon, and this marathon needs a lot of preparation, which has already been taking place, and it's going to run for a while, isn't it? We don't have an end date set for it yet.
No end date set in this case, but there are some things we can all be doing to help prevent illness. We've been talking about this for what seems like months now. Health experts say it's as simple as washing your hands for at least 20 seconds. And then coming up, I'll share some more details on how the state is preparing for the virus to hit. Live in the newsroom, Caitlin Francis, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.